know this is really stupid, but whatever that sound was up to the right,
Mm-hmm.
I knew everybody was going to poo-poo it, and we were in a pretty small group to be doing stupid shit like that.
Poo-poo it.
But I seriously wanted to just bust up to the right
Mm-hmm.
and go up there and see what.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, because whatever it is, if there's anything I do know about animals that know that something's around that shouldn't be around,
Yeah.
it's either going to immediately bail and it's going to make a lot of noise on the way out,
Yeah.
or it is going to hang tight as long as it possibly can.
Yeah.
As long as it possibly can. I mean, I seriously, this is no joke. I have been 10 inches
Yeah.
from a cow elk.
Yeah.
They will sit there
Oh,
and
yeah.
wait.
Those just chill.
Yes,
I-
because they don't think that you're going to keep rolling. They
Yeah.
don't. They think that you're either going to walk right by them. I mean, all these animals have the absolute most intense camouflaging senses,
Yeah.
everything. I mean, they know what they're doing, you know? And so I think that I absolutely would have busted up right directly towards that sound to see what in the hell was going on,
Yeah.
because I think that that's the stuff that we need to be willing to do. And
And that's the hard thing is, like, if you really want to capture shit, you have to kind of put yourself in danger.
Yeah.
yeah, because
and-
that's the only worry, right?
And
is-
if you are actually down, we'll send you with a night vision camera so